Hope you all are good and safe. This is the part 2 of Sources of Food. In part 1, we learn about food, nutrition, nutrients, functions of food, variety of food, and ingredients. The topics that we would be covered today: number 1, ingredients of food; number 2, plant as a source of food; number 3, animal as a source of food. Some of the ingredients of food come from plants and some from animals. As we learned in the previous section, some food are made of just one or two substances, while others are made of many substances. Now, these substances or components or materials which are used to make a food item or dish are called ingredients, which we receive either from plants or from animals. The major sources of food are from plant, for example, pulses, fruits, vegetables. These are some of the examples of plant as a source of food. And on the other hand, animal as a source of food, dairy products, fishes, meat, chicken, egg are some of the examples of animal as a source of food. Animals can be directly or indirectly a source of food. Plants as a source of food. Plants form a major source of food for animals, including humans. Plants are called producers because they can prepare their food using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. They use only a small quantity of food for performing their activities, and the rest of food is gets stored in different parts of plant. These parts are eaten by us. Now, these parts of plant that are safe to eat are known as edible parts, which includes leaves, roots, stems, seeds, and fruits of a plant. It can vary from plant to plant. For example, spinach and lettuce are some of the leaves of the plants that we eat. Carrot, turnip are some of the roots of the plant that we eat. Potato, ginger are another examples of stems of the plant that we eat. Fruit, on the other hand, includes pumpkin, tomato, or even apple. Cauliflower, broccoli are some of the flowers that we eat. Rice, wheat, barley are some of the seeds as a source of food in the plants that we eat. But do you know that mustard is one such example of plant in which more than one part is edible? As you can see, that mustard seeds are used to extract mustard oil, and on the other hand, mustard leaves are used to extract saag, which is very preferable in northern parts of India. Animal as a source of food. We get milk from cow, buffaloes, camels, and goats. Milk is used to make butter, cheese, and ghee. We get egg from hens, ducks, and geese. Meat is also obtained from animals such as hen, goat, duck, and fishes. There's one more thing that we get from animals, and that is honey. But do we know how is honey produced by honeybees? So let's know it more. The fruit juice, which is present in the flowers called nectar, honeybees come and collect it. They take that to their hive where they convert this nectar into honey and it is stored in their hive as food. The rearing of honeybees on large scale is called apiculture. Thank you very much for attending this session. In the next session, we would be discussing about classification of animals on the basis of their food habits.